This shoe's been stripped. It's been stripped with methylated spirit. If you look at the original, this one's much darker and it's rather rough. This shoe's been stripped with methylated spirit, and this side's not been treated with any sandpaper. That one has. It's much smoother here. You can see the scarring from what was quite serious cracking, but you can't feel it. This side, the cracking's still there, and it's rather rough. The edges are curled over due to the treatment from the chemical. So all I use is simple emery or wet and dry. That's 180 grit. And just working in circular motions. I need to take off this rough area here. You can press on quite hard. You have to be very careful not to rub onto the stitches. As soon as you touch the stitching, it will disappear. So it takes a good few minutes working in circular motions. That starts to come a little bit smoother. When you're happy, take a slightly finer paper. This is 320 grit, and just work a slightly smoother finish. With probably about 20 minutes work, it'll come out smooth like this. And to correct the colour and the condition, I'm just going to use a leather cream of a similar colour to the original, and this should be enough. So it's been stripped with meths, it's been sanded 2 or 3 times, and then it just gets treated with leather cream. It goes on fairly wet, and when it dries, the colour will come out very similar to the original of that of the shoe. It's just a case of keep applying, keep rubbing until it dries. It might take 10 or 15 minutes to dry. It looks very dark there. As it dries, it will come up very light. Now the cream does have a tendency to build up in the holes, so you just use a brush just to stab away, make sure that it doesn't clog the holes. And when that's dried, I use a dry brush, give this as the best buff possible, then just use a clear cream, and these shoes will come up beautifully. The old scarring from the cracking will be visible, but you won't be able to feel it, but it just adds a rather nice patina.